Hey folks, it's Danielle from 4Patriots. And today, I'm super excited because we're hitting the road. The fact is, people are traveling more than ever by car now. And with the holidays coming up, you might be planning your road trips now. So I thought, there's no better way to help you guys prepare than to give you the top 5 things I absolutely have to have to survive a road trip. Not only for my peace of mind, but my safety too. Before we dig in, make sure you click that subscribe button below so you never miss one of our videos with tips on how you can be even more self-reliant. Now buckle up, because I'm about to show you how to take your road trip to the next level. And that starts with the most obvious road trip must-have, a stash of snacks. But I'll do you one better, because these survival cookies I keep on hand are no ordinary snacks. These delicious lemon shortbread bars are designed to last 5 years. You can keep them in the car and leave them there for the next road trip too. You don't have to worry about them going bad or getting moldy. They can withstand extreme temperatures as high as 300 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as -40 degrees. These come in handy when you're on the road and need a snack. Or if you're in a pinch on the side of the road. These emergency food bars will be there to keep you fueled and focused. Next on your list should be a complete no-brainer, especially if you're going camping, hiking, or simply traveling with accident-prone passengers. I won't leave home without this 129-piece first aid kit from 4Patriots. It's one of the most comprehensive kits I've seen. From an instant cold pack to a marine safety whistle, this kit goes above and beyond Band-Aids for scrapes and cuts. But it has those too, don't worry. Now this next road trip essential goes beyond your car ride. In fact, I use it practically every day to make sure my phone is always charged and ready when I need it. You got it. It's a portable power bank, and this one from 4Patriots can be charged using the sun, which makes it perfect for long road trips because you can just pop it on the dash when you're driving, and when your phone's low because you're using it for directions or music or keeping your kids entertained in the back seat, just grab it from the dash and plug in your devices. It can charge 2 at once, so you'll always have enough juice to make a phone call when you need it most, whether it's a call to let your family know you made it to your destination or a call for critical roadside assistance. This Patriot Power Cell could make all the difference. And speaking of roadside assistance, this next item is a godsend when you're in a jam, especially when the worst case scenario happens and you're stranded at night on the side of a dark road. The Halo XT multi-use flashlight can shine a work light on a flat tire, signal for help with its SOS mode, and even help you break free from a jammed seatbelt. It's basically the MacGyver of flashlights. And did I mention it never needs batteries, ever? You can charge it using the sun, just like the Patriot Power Cell. Keep it on your dash, and it'll be charged and ready when you need it. And last, but certainly not least, is probably an item you wouldn't normally think about packing for a road trip. In fact, you might think I'm a little crazy for showing off what looks like a pair of futuristic ski goggles, and I can't blame you. But let me tell you, this is a game changer for long road trips, especially when you're sharing the drive time with someone else. Because after a few hours of staring at a never-ending highway, your eyes are tired. The squinting, loud music, and constant chatter from the peanut gallery in the back seat is enough to drive you crazy. And sometimes you just need a reset button. Ta-da! The Deluxe Eye Spa will help you unwind and relieve some of that built-up tension. It uses a thoughtful rhythm of heat, vibration, and compression to target your pressure points and melt away tension. Now, obviously, we don't recommend using it while driving, but if you switch to the passenger seat or reach a rest stop and need some serious headache relief, you'll be glad you packed this. Time for a break. So there you have it. My top 5 essentials when I'm taking a long road trip. And if you haven't noticed, the safety of me and my passengers comes first, which is why these 4Patriot products are the perfect solution. Drop a comment below and tell us your road trip and roadside must-haves. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can hear more of our tips and tricks on how to be more self-reliant no matter where you go. Thanks for watching and happy travels!